If you're using pure silence to hide your tinnitus, you're actually making it louder. Your brain is turning the volume up to find a signal. Stop using white noise, it's too sharp. You need a deep buffer, it's called brown noise. Hear that? It's like a distant waterfall. It's lower, heavier, and it signals your nervous system to move from the workroom to the recovery room. Here is your immediate test. Play brown noise at a volume just below your ringing. You must hear both, sit for 20 minutes, and watch the sharp edges soften. If you feel that physical sigh of relief, follow for more. Tomorrow, I'm showing you the nightstand audit to stop those 2 a.m. spikes.